drama. Aggressive aero, massive power, and a soundtrack to rattle windows. This is the last stand of pure American performance. The ZR1 aims to prove an American icon can beat Europe at its own game. It's a statement of pride and ambition, wrapped in carbon fiber. The V8 Hammer is ready to crash the supercar party. When it lands, expect fireworks. Today's supercars aren't just about brute force. They're rolling supercomputers. Advanced hybrids deliver instant torque and razor-sharp handling, while active aerodynamics constantly reshape the car for speed or grip. Carbon fiber is everywhere, making these machines lighter and stronger. AI driver coaches, like in the Rimac, teach you to drive faster in real time. Over-the-air updates mean your car can literally get better overnight. Even sustainability is creeping in. With recycled materials and lower emissions, the supercar is growing up, smarter, lighter, and more connected than ever. So, where are supercars headed? 3 paths. Hybrids like Ferrari and Lamborghini,